This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Honda Accord garage door opener. First, find the home link buttons, usually on your rearview mirror or overhead console. To clear any old codes, press and hold the two outer home link buttons. Keep holding them until the indicator light starts flashing rapidly. This quick flash confirms that all previous programming has been successfully erased, preparing your system for new settings. Next, let's program a new remote. Hold your garage door opener remote 1 to 3 inches away from the home link buttons. Simultaneously press and hold the desired home link button and the button on your garage door remote. Continue holding both until the home link indicator light flashes rapidly. This rapid flash confirms that the signal has been learned, linking your remote to that specific button. For rolling code systems, there's an extra step. Go to your garage door opener motor unit and find the Learn or Smart button. Press and release this button. You now have about 30 seconds to return to your Honda Accord. Inside the car, press and hold the desired home link button for 2 seconds, then release. Repeat this press and release action 2 more times to complete the programming. Finally, it's time to test your newly programmed home link button. Press the button you just programmed and confirm that your garage door opens and closes correctly. If it doesn't work, simply repeat the programming steps, paying close attention to each instruction. Sometimes, checking your garage door opener's manual or replacing remote batteries can also help resolve issues. You've got this.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.